Okay, I'm back. Let's... I think I want to tear up the floor first. Actually, I'm going to tear up that. I need to put a pipe on that. Pipe or two. Carpentry leveled up. Make things cheaper. Alright, chimney is pointed out. Baking leveled up. Ugh. I know, pain in the butt, but it's okay. I'll get it done. Could be worse. Ooh, that has an output. Oh, poop. I gotta feed water into it, don't I? So... I'll have to figure that out. Put a junction here, go down. quality of the room get too bad for that thing to keep making glass, or did that run out of... Quality of the room came too less. Okay, good. I was gonna like leave it alone until it was done, but because I'm digging holes, it's not happy. Oh, it has an outflow too? Ugh, son of a biscuit. That's just dirt there, okay. So I'll have to do an outflow over to my laboratory, which will be probably right here. I'll just go straight down. Same thing with the upflow. Sweet! Damn it. I didn't mean to put that there. Almost done. Almost done with getting rid of the dirt. Then we're on to step 1738 of fixing this thing. Alright, couple more dirt. I thought that was going to be it, but I guess not. There we go. Everything's taken care of. So what we're going to do is we're going to go get some pipes. I need copper ones to go from the water, but I need steel ones. Just give me those. Shoot, I already screwed up. I need a dig still. Let's put them in here. Actually, no. Let's be crazy. Oh, I can only do one at a time? Let's not be crazy then. I don't want to just... I was going to put them on the ground just to see... Like wood you can stack in a pile, but I guess you can't do that with them sons of bitches. Alright, so... You're the outflow. And you go down to there. I would like it to go to the outflow of the research table. Dirt on dirt, huh? Okay. we're going to have intake there. Of course, you'd be solid ground down there. I should just dig all this up. Just don't even worry about if it's dirt or not. Dig it all. Move it all. Put pipe down, then put dirt back. I'm going to have to go either another layer down or go out and around with the output. I could go out and around because the output's behind. No, it's not. It's in front. No, that's the input. Get rid of that limestone. Okay. Fuck it. Pick those up too. Since I've got to go out and around with this guy, you're going to go down here. Did I go extra down? I did go extra down. Still pumping water. I need to go under you, though, which is fine. You're not going to work as soon as I dig that up, though, which is fine. Oh, it'll still work. Good, 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 good. Oh, nope, you stopped. Yeah, I knew it was going to stop. Okay, so go there, because then I can go put dirt there, and I can dig up hair and hair. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my god, get out. Get. Frickin' Irish's truck is in the way. No worries. I'm just trying to run pipes because I now notice that I have a freaking inlet and outlet on that stupid blacksmith thing. You can flow water in for now. It's fine. I'll plug it up in a sec. Going that way. I need to go under the road. Need to dig up some of that. I don't know why I went that deep. Why did I go that deep? Seems super deep. Because it's going to be floor there, pipe here. Oh, I guess I need to go that deep. Okay. Am I mathing right? Yeah, because it should be... I'm going to put ground back. I feel like I went too deep. Oh, well. Oh, well. Oh, I think it's because I got to go under... I was going to go under this pipe. I think that's what it was. Oh, freaking plumbing. Irish's truck. I'm about to throw it in the river. Okay, so let's finger this out. This, you suck. So you're gonna go under this. And you're gonna go that way. I gotta move all that. So 1 piece, 2 piece. That one's placement's blocked. Just block my tunnel to get in there. You need to go... I need more pipe. Okay. Fine. Get more pipe. I have some more, but I think I need to make some more too. 40's a lot, but it's easy to run out. Alright, that's connected up. I need one more there. I know I need a couple more over there. Oh, yeah. Let's throw that back in here for now. Shovel. Get that sulfur, bitch. Oh, inventory's full. Garbage. So... let's go back to the other one. Back to the other one. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Alright, inlet pipe hooked up. An outlet pipe can be steel, but I'm not going to worry about that yet. Because I'm going to come over here. grab a bunch of dirt. And we're going to bury this line. Okay, now I'm going to leave it open here because I was trying to go along the edge. If I can come straight across here under the pipe or over it or whatever, I think it'll be a little easier to do. So dirt on the beach. Crushed sandstone, go on the beach. Crushed limestone was already on the beach, I thought. Okay, that clears up a little room there. So now we need the outlet pipe. I don't have to go that deep. I don't know why I was going that deep. Probably because I was trying to anticipate, because it's going to be floor there, so I don't even need to go that deep. Right there. It's coming right for me. Could have been one of these where I dug up sulfur or something. Who knows? All right, so that'll be floor, that'll be pipe. Right? No, that'll be floor up there. So pipe will be there. So I don't know. For some reason I went so deep. So deep. If I go there, that's into that pipe. So I have to go zigzaggy, which is fine. That leads to the ocean. Okay. Dig this up. Dig this up. And then I can go that way, which then I can lead to the stuff and things. So give me some dirt. Oh, what I'm trying to do with the shovel. Jesus. Right, that's back to level. I don't want to block there because that's where that's getting water in. Bang, 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 bang. We're good to here. I can cover that up. And then I could cover... Nope. You suck. Why are you going... I'm not wanting it down there, you stupid game. Give me the pipes. Let's do the pipes. Okay, we're out to there. Give me that dirt back. Piece of shit. Sorry, I was aggressive. Alright, we're flat out here. I need to put dirt and stuff under there. Floor will cover this. Floor will cover... You're not even connect... Why are you not connecting? What is the fucking... language? Okay. I thought when it went up, it connected to it. That's why I was mad. Alright, we're to there. I need to dig underneath here, over to here, and connect up to here. Okay. I probably will... let's remove those, because I'm going to dig... I'm going to dig down and over from here. Just goes straight into the house. So you can go in here for now. You fixed now? It's not... I need one more piece of dirt. Got it. There we go. Pumping away. Still water down there, but whatever. Is that not dirt? Oh, it's clay. Okay, well, makes sense. Once I get to probably here, I should be able to see the surface. Or I guess once I get to the frickin' edge of the lumber, I'll know where I'm at. I'm too hungry to do that. Okay, go put these away. So it should be like right here. So if I'm here, I need to get to here. Right? Yeah, so right here. Let's dig this guy. Gotta find that. So I don't want to dig up under you, because you could turn on or off at any time. You want to go this way. That's where the pipe comes out, so I need to be a couple more this way. Here should be good. Would you look at that? There's the road. The only reason I'm going this low is so I can actually be under here and work. All right. Let's go back under. Got to clear up a little more. I can't see the pipe yet, so until I can see the pipe. Hello, pipe. All right. Give me the pipe. Gonna finish this build so I can have my blacksmith. Sorry, blast furnace. There we go. Double exhausts out to the ocean. Why does it seem so much wider? Advanced baking! Okay, now lumber. I feel like I should do brick floors. They're very red, though. I think I'm going to do lumber. Shoot. Skipping steps. Lay across. I was about to be a jerk and be like, "You're a cheap viewer." Oh, but it's not you, the guy, the person that just came in, the thing, probably the bot that just came in. Well, shit. There we go. I didn't want to drop in yet. You know what? I'm doing it wrong. Do floor fill. Go here. I need 2 more blocks to fill the floor, the whole size. Oh, that's so cool looking. Oh, not in a full room yet, are you? 2.61. So it is in a room, but it's not good enough room yet, which is fine. Because I know I got to tear out that whole wall. If it wasn't good enough, like this whole back wall's got to get torn out. 2.68. That's what I see anyways. It's very small. Could be 2.65. Not sure. Either way, not good enough. So we're going to put these back in here. And we're going to start the teardown. I think right to there. Maybe? Maybe not. We do angle roof there. I've got to come out to there because then it'll be the outside of that roof. Yeah, because there's that one. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. And then I need to pick up the floors. And I need to move my chests because they are in the room. And that's hewn logs. Oh, that's the same. Oh, it's just floor. Okay, I see. I see. It's just that was block, that was floor. Got it. So slap that. Give me those. Switch to floor first. And we'll go fill floor. Boom, job done. Then we're going to go control move. Honestly, don't care for now. You are going to have to get moved. Then we'll go walls. Is there a way to fill? Line? Rectangle fill? Get up on the roof, put some roofs on. I feel like that's roofs there. I need to tear that up. That's fine. Get on the roof and let's get her done. Why are you having a heart attack? There we go. Jesus. And to be fair, I don't care about this roof at all. So, the only thing I can think of is that corner. 2.72 of 2.8. Cock ass. The only thing is, like I said, this corner. I know I said it. I'm sorry. Wrong button. 2.72. What else can I do? I mean, I can't. I have to have the pipe out. I have to have the pipes in. What is not good about this room? Everything's the best. And you're back to making glass, which I need. Is it the door? I wonder if it's the door. It's not a lumber door, is it? You need more boards. Where is the... Let's just type door. Wooden sliding door. It's tier 3. That's what is in. It's not fancy enough. No, don't do 50. Can I take maybe the bench and put a bench in there? Seating. Doesn't say it has to be in a room. It's better seating than the mortared stone, so let's do that in there. I'm not even going to put the wall back in on this guy. It has become one with this building. What is it too big? No. Need more windows? Is it windows? Is that the problem? Not enough windows? I feel like blocks missing is like worse. Still 2.72, and if I make there's yeah, it didn't help at all. What do I need? I need steel. I need to make steel. I need steel. What do I need to make this better room? What is... Is it because there's a tree coming through the wall? If I cut the tree down, will it be fine? Like, I just spent a ton of time cleaning up the floor and making the floor better, and you're telling me it's still not good enough? Didn't help. It's not too tall, because it has to be that tall for both these guys. I wonder if I need to go out the wall instead of through the floor for the pipes. Because it says you can make holes in walls, but I don't know if it says anything about holes in floors. Why are you not making things? What's wrong with you? So, waste management I can make now. If I just got the steel and the concrete. The only thing I couldn't make before... Everything's makeable. Makeable. Ooh, I can make the crane if I had a portable steam engine. Need steel for that. Need cement for that, which I need quicklime for that, and rebar and blah 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 blah. Need cement, quicklime, clay. I need more clay. I have more clay for the where I was digging under the building. I'll block that up. I just don't know what to do to make this a better room. I'm gonna have to take a break, go look up some stuff, come back, do it, because I made it with the best material we can make right now. I can't make the next material until I get the blast furnace working, so because that's concrete. That's tier 4. That's the next material. And then I'm pretty sure the electric machinist table, I can start making advanced construction tables. And I'm pretty sure I can make better stuff on those. So until I can figure out what I need to better the room, I'm kind of stuck. So like that needs concrete to get oil. That needs concrete. That needs steel, which I can't make steel until I fucking can build, use the blacksmith. So, I'm going to take a break. I'll be right back. Probably, maybe an hour. I don't know. Will depend on how long it takes me to figure it out and all that stuff. So, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching for now. Like I said, I'll be back soon. Watch the sunrise. Okay, I'll be back soon.